Have you ever seen those viral AI shorts with crazy visuals, perfect timing, and stunning quality that instantly grabs your attention? What if I told you that you can create the same kind of videos in just 1 minute using a simple template? Not only this, you'll find powerful models to create videos exactly the way you want. And if you want, you can generate videos using the text-to-video, image-to-video, and video-to-video options, all in just a few clicks. And not only that, you can also edit your images using the powerful model Google Nano Banana. Just take a look at these stunning viral videos. The quality, motion, and visuals are just insane. And the best part? I created all of these incredible videos with one click using a powerful AI tool called DVID AI. It's a one-stop platform for creating short, eye-catching videos with amazing templates, multiple models, smart editing, and everything you need to make viral content in seconds. I've added the link in the description, so just click on it and you'll land directly on the DVID AI homepage, and this is where the magic begins. The interface of DVID AI is really cool and super beginner-friendly. Everything is easy to understand. First of all, you'll see a sign in for free option at the top right corner. Click on it and sign in using your Google account or email. Once you're in, you'll land on the homepage of the tool, and this is where your journey of creating stunning viral content begins. All right, guys? First, let's try the AI effect feature. This is the easiest and fastest way to create stunning viral shorts in just one click. Yes, with a single click. Just click on it. Here, you'll find 100 plus amazing AI video templates and effects that you can use instantly. Just choose the one you like. For example, we'll select Halloween makeup and click Use this effect. Next, upload your image, select the resolution, and once everything is set, click Create. After a few minutes, our video will be ready, and just look at this result. It's so realistic, smooth, and eye-catching that no one would ever believe it was created by AI. With these templates, you can generate viral shots effortlessly, all in stunning quality and professional style. All right, guys, now let's try another effect. This time, we'll select the AI group dance generator. Just click Use this effect, then upload your image and click Create. After a few moments, our video will be ready, and once again, the result is stunning and perfectly smooth. There are so many amazing AI templates to explore, and we've tried a few others as well. Just look at these results. Each one is creative, realistic, and truly eye-catching. All right, guys, now let's try the text-to-video feature. Just click on it, and the process is super simple. Enter your prompt in the box, then choose any of the amazing models available. All of them are powerful and produce stunning results. You can also adjust some simple settings like resolution, duration, and aspect ratio. Once everything is set, hit the Create button, and our video will start generating. After some time, our video will be ready, and just look at the result. Everything is so creative, stunning, and perfectly detailed. Now let's make another video. We repeat the same steps, and here we go. Just look at this second result. Wow, it's equally stunning, eye-catching, and professional. These results really show how easy and powerful DVID AI is for creating viral shorts in just minutes. I have created some other videos by using text-to-video feature, and just look at their results. DVID AI don't stop at AI effects and text-to-video. It has so many other amazing features to make your videos even more creative. You can use the image-to-video option to turn any lifeless image into a stunning, eye-catching video. You can also use video-to-video feature. And that's not all. You can also generate high-quality images using famous models like Nano Banana, which is perfect for creating and editing professional visuals. There are many other incredible tools inside DVID AI, so you can explore and create amazing content all on a single platform. So guys, if you've ever wanted to create viral AI shorts without learning complex editing or waiting for other tools, you can do it easily. I've guided you through the entire process. The link is in the description. Just go check it out yourself. And if you found this video helpful and amazing, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your ideas in the comments. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care Thanks for watching, and goodbye.